Looking for a healthy chocolate cake? This Atta Jaggery chocolate cake is made with whole wheat flour, natural sweeteners, and no refined sugar. Hello, I am Nahida. Welcome to Enuven Cake and Cookies. So let's start the recipe. In a mixing bowl, add half cup curd or yogurt, 3 tablespoon oil. Mix well until smooth. Replace curd with plant-based yogurt for a vegan version. Add half cup melted jaggery and mix until it dissolves completely. Always melt the jaggery before mixing to ensure smooth consistency. Jaggery is natural detoxifier, rich in iron and helping boost immunity. Add 1 tablespoon chopped almond and 1 tablespoon black raisin for added texture. Now sift together 1 cup whole wheat flour, 2 tablespoon cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Whole wheat flour high in fiber, aiding digestion and promoting heart health. Mix the dry ingredients into the wet mixture. Cocoa helps reduce stress and improves mood. Add 2 to 3 tablespoon milk if needed for a smooth batter. Don't overmix the batter to keep the cake soft and fluffy. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and mix until well combined. Grease a 6-inch baking mold with oil and line with baking paper. Pour the batter into the mold. Sprinkle chopped almond and raisin on top for extra crunch. Add walnuts or cashews for an extra crunchy texture. Place a pan with wire stand inside. Preheat the pan for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Place the cake mold inside and cover with a lid. Bake for 35 to 40 minutes on medium-low heat until fully cooked. And there you have it, a soft, chocolatey and healthy Atta Jaggery cake. Enjoy warm with a drizzle of honey or dark chocolate sauce. That's perfect for guilt-free indulgence. Try this at home and let me know how it turned out in the comments. Like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you in the next video.